We are constantly seeking ways to use each dollar more efficiently.
And that's not just talk from the minister with responsibility for maintaining the nation's roads. This fiscal year, his ministry is taking the lead on two major initiatives to improve Jamaica's road network and maximize savings to the government's coffers. As part of the strategy to do more with less, government wants to build more concrete roads. Compared to other materials, research has shown that concrete roads have a longer life expectancy, they're more durable, have a better load carrying capacity, and are more competitively priced. It's estimated that concrete roads remain stable for 13 to 30 years, compared to asphalted surfaces that last for 6 to 20 years. This alternative road construction method is widely used in the Caribbean, Europe, and Asia, and has even covered a few Jamaican roads. But now, the Transport and Works Ministry wants to expand its use locally.
For future road construction activities, the bid documents prepared by the NWA will invite responses which speak only to the technical specifications required for the structure of the roads to be built or repaired. In other words, responses can either be for constructing using asphalt or concrete.
Minister Davies made that announcement in May, and his colleague Minister of Local Government has since indicated similar plans. In the coming weeks, the two ministries will work together to rehabilitate 2 kilometers of roadway along the access pathway to the Riverton City landfill using concrete. The repairs will improve on the utilization of the landfill and reduce downtime and operating costs for garbage trucks.
This ministry, along with the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing, is assessing road construction technologies with the intent of realizing value for money in the road building sector.
The Ministries of Local Government and Transport and Works are also collaborating on another fiscally prudent initiative. The Works Ministry, through the National Works Agency, will be working with the local government authorities which have oversight for parochial road networks. To efficiently fix more community-based roads, they will agree on the roads to be fixed and in what order.
This is not simply about my ministry passing over additional resources to the local authority, but the greater coordination in designing responses, as well as the technical specification and procurement policies.
The result will be a more efficient use of existing resources. The government is working for the people, adopting strategies to provide better roads while making sure Jamaican taxpayers get the biggest bang for their buck.